Monday, August 12th, and today is officially the day of the Wendys spicy chicken nuggets coming back. Sorry, all the windows are down. We got back from Vegas late last night, and we spilled a bottle of Jameson in the trunk, so the car just smells like alcohol. Anyways, headed to Wendys. Well, actually, first Target, and then Wendys to get some of these spicy chicken nuggets. You ready? All right, she's ready. Let's go. That's fine. All right, so we can't be the only one getting our awesome treats, so of course we have to stop by for Fifi to get her little puppy Chino first, and now we're gonna go get our spicy chicken nuggets and head home and eat them and share our thoughts and experiences with you guys. All right, so let's head over there right guys now. We have arrived at our destination. Drive-through time, boys. Let's go.
Can I get a 20-piece spicy nugget?
Okay, so I have a 20-piece spicy nugget. Give me one moment while I find it. Okay. And the sauce?
Ranch.
Ranch and barbecue.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
I can see it on the window, ma'am.
Thank you. It's not on the menu yet, so
Yeah.
I got kind of scared. I was looking.
We didn't see any advertisements, or it wasn't on the menu. And so the lady had to find the button for it because it's a new product, which is pretty funny. So.
I should have gone. I should have got as close as possible, like I did at the airport.
True. Get some more damage to the car.
I didn't even do anything.
Or so you say.
You can look at it.
Yeah, we'll inspect it after this.
I honestly didn't actually look. I just assumed it didn't make.
What the heck? yeah, you can look at it. It's fine.
I just assumed.
It's fine.
Thank you. I'm like itchy right here. Ow.
Wait, did you ever actually try these before?
No.
No, it's first timer right here.
But like I've been talking, I just assume they're good. I like anything spicy, so I'm excited. And everyone likes it. If you don't like them, I don't know.
Back when these were available, literally, I'm looking at where my apartment was. I can like see Wendys from my apartment. I was here like every day getting these spicy chicken nuggets. And then towards the end of me staying there at the apartment, I came here and they were just not selling it, and I was so confused.
Oh my god, when these closes at 1 a.m.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna come back.
Because it's so clearly just like the superior product. If you're gonna get nuggets or spicy nuggets, like once this was an option, it's only spicy nuggets. And I was telling her right now that my assumption on why they pulled it is for whatever the reason, if I get nuggets, I'm gonna want to side with that. If I get spicy nuggets, like that is the meal that's good enough, and I don't want anything else. So I feel like that's why they pulled it, is they found that people weren't pairing it with other products, so therefore it actually was like costing them money to sell it. But I could be wrong. That's my tinfoil hat theory.
So are these gonna be back forever now, or?
I would have to imagine. I don't think it's a limited time, but I'm sure like if it doesn't do well, they're gonna pull it again. But
I know for a fact it's gonna do well.
Yeah.
Literally everyone on Twitter, like, I don't know.
Yeah. No, I definitely agree.
I bet Chance the Rapper went out by like 100. Because he's the one that made it like come back, right?
Yeah,
Then he made
like
that tweet.
the biggest like driving force, I would say. Although there's plenty of people before and after that. Even that YouTuber that you watch, was Trisha like tweeting about it or talking about it or doing videos?
But his tweet is Wendy's replying and put if this gets like so many likes or whatever.
So shout out to Chance for sure. Yeah, I feel like this is the first batch they've made, so it should be nice and warm because.
Well, should I ask the car behind us if they ordered it too? Let me get up. I'm kidding. I mean, they have to be, because do they have breakfast stuff? Or I feel like they don't. Like I doubt people would come for like a hamburger this early.
Yeah, I don't know.
So like they had to be getting it. I know I wouldn't come here for a fucking hamburger.
Shout out to Starbucks. strawberry acai refresher.
I'd be really upset if they gave us the nuggets we get home and they're like not spicy ones.
Yes, that means we have to do one taste test
Before
once we
do.
pull up right here.
I don't need to pull up. I'll just fucking eat it.
Okay.
I miss my phone. It's charging at the house.
Let's see. Yeah, it's getting a little warm, right?
I was gonna put this one to it, but I have to shut up. Okay, I'm just gonna like. My fucking foot. Oh my god. She has. I did that for no reason.
That's fine.
Thank you. I feel like she meant
Inspect.
the ranch. Maybe.
Alright, nice ranch. Alright, I'm gonna grab the first one right now.
Wait, I want.
Pass her the first one.
They feel hot, so my finger.
Yep. They're back.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's go right off the bat. First bite is just very, very flavorful. And then as you continue to eat, you get hit with the spice, right?
My chicken is like juicy.
So happy these are back. It's been 3 or 4 years, something like that. This was literally the only thing I got for the longest time. First things first, you gotta hook up the puppers with their puppuccino.
Wait, I want to record her. Hi. Oh my god.
Alright, so
Up.
giving her a little treat. You like that, Fifi? Alright, shut up the loot llama back there. Fortnite for life. Alright guys, so let me know what your preferred dipping sauce is. Mine is obviously ranch. Hers on the other hand is barbecue. Oh man, that ranch with the spicy nuggets, that's a combo right there. Wow. The great thing is they're obviously not too spicy, but still at the same time you get that spicy burn. Comparatively, we recently went to Burger King, had their spicy nuggets, liked them. They're a great way to hold us over for this. However, the next time we went there, they had already stopped selling them, discontinued them. So now there's no competition between spicy nuggets. This is the one reigning champ, the one and only Wendys spicy nugget. Fire. We did both get a 10-piece. Most likely, we'll be going back again tonight for a nice little midnight snack.
I posted a picture.
She's over here posting her story of it.
I think I have the right amount in mind.
Okay. There was a loose nugget in the bag, which I went ahead and claimed. I told her to go ahead and count it to make sure she has the right amount of nuggets. Let me open up your barbecue for you. Try dipping one ranch and one barbecue. And let me know which.
That's gross. I'm not doing that.
What do you mean?
Oh, you meant at the same time.
No, like that's what I said. One in barbecue, one in ranch, and let me know what you prefer. I can definitely. So, in general, I always use ranch, but then she got me using barbecue at McDonald's again. I hadn't done that in a long time. But I do think in the situation of a spicy nugget, ranch is just the superior dip.
For me, in a spicy nugget, I just like it plain.
Try the ranch. Just give it a try and then let me know if you still.
I just asked for barbecue because I panicked and just picked something.
Yeah, barbecue with this.
But I really just like it plain. Whatever.
Whatever's. I feel that. Yeah, barbecue doesn't go. It like makes it sweet. The ranch is good. Without the pup underneath us scavenging for little crumbs. Alright, so what would you rate these out of 10?
11.
11. First timer. Rating number 11. I already knew this is the gold standard for spicy nuggets is Wendys. I'm happy to have them back. Obviously going to rate them a 10. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys go out today or tomorrow or sometime soon and get you some Wendys spicy nuggets. Not sponsored, by the way, but man, what a great product. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, going back for some more ranch. I like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, peace. They're back.